SapuraKencana, to whom it may concern. On the 15th to 17th January 2013, we attended Lau Chee Yong's Excel VBA trainings. It was no ordinary training. We are very delighted and glad to enroll his program. This is the first time we engage his service. Lau has helped 6 of us, including 5 from important staff, to learn Excel VBA effectively. Prior to the training, Lau also willing to go the extra miles to meet 2 of my staffs to discuss what exactly we want. We really appreciate this. During the training, we have learned from recording a simple macro to write our own sub-procedure and finally successfully create our own user form in just 3 days. He always encourages us to create some code differently. Be creative. That is a wise advice. He also answered few extra but highly important questions successfully during the training, such as automatically create stack column chart, update the chart with a button click, adjusting chart size according to screen size, copy the line, trend line equal to a cell, or deleting multiple rows easily, and more. He's not only knowledgeable but passionate in his work and is able to explain various VBA concepts with good examples and diagrams. Then he gives us time to practice and guide us. He never neglects any of the 6 participants. He's always checked with the participants to ensure they understand right on the spot. He also shared us the secret of he himself becoming an Excel VBA expert. Attend his class and you will find out yourself. By the end of the first day, we are able to perform Excel tasks so much faster and easier. We learned the most valuable tools in Excel VBA. We therefore would have no doubt to recommend his 3 days Excel VBA training to you. Hidayat bin Muhammad Yaqub, engineering head. Thank you.